Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create another Instagram account on the same device. So all you have to do, guys, you want to click three little lines in the top right of your profile. After that, guys, you want to click on settings in the top. Now after that, you want to click on add account. As you can see at the bottom, it says here add account. If you scroll down, now after you click on add account, two different options will come up. It will say here login into existing account or create a new account. Okay, so like you clicked on this video because you want to create another new account probably, but if you have like another Instagram account, you already have like the email and password, you can select the first option. But if you want to create a new one, you want to select the create new account at the bottom. Now after that, guys, you want to type here the username of your new Instagram account. Click next, and then you want to type Instagram for this password for this account, and then you want to click on complete sign up. And that's all you need to do, guys, to create a new account. And then click skip public, next, skip. Okay, now if you want to switch between these accounts, you want to just click the username in the top left, and you will find all the accounts that you have. Okay, now you can switch between them if you want. You want to select this account, you can click it, you can select the second account here. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. I will reply to you guys within a few seconds.